Hey, it's me back again. I tried to go live, but technical difficulties, so I'm recording this and then I'll post it. And it's me. I'm back again. I'm back to do a nature call today, right? So, collective, in this nature call, there were birds all around, there were squirrels, and the calico cat, right? So, we had a gray squirrel, black squirrel, the brown squirrel with the gray tail. It was just, everybody was in the house. I'm just realizing my background, I should have threw something, moved that off of the stove, but you all know me. Always in the kitchen cooking up something. Okay, so the gray squirrel represents resourceful, flexible, and quick-witted. Okay, collective? All right. So that be of us, right? These are your ancestors coming through your spirit animal guides, right? Okay. And then the black squirrel represents good luck and transformation and a message from the universe. And the message is, hang in there. Things are about to get better. I'll take that. I know that's right. It's time to get better. It's time for things to get better, right? And then the brown squirrel. The brown squirrel represents apprehension, play, joy, interest, and anger. So, collective, a little anger going on now. I don't know. You might have, well, if you do, it must be time to address it. Because do not allow anger to be comfortable in your space. Getting angry is pointless. Unless that's how you get motivated. You have to get angry to get motivated. Some of us do. As long as we're not lashing out to people with anger. Right? Right. Okay? And then, that was the brown squirrel. And I'm sipping on a little tea. I think I'm going, yeah, it's good. Okay. The ground squirrel with the gray tail, that represents abundance, prosperity, and good luck. Okay? So, that's what's popping. Abundance is upon you. Right? Prosperity. We are prosperous. Yes, we are, collective. And we are lucky. Good luck. Okay? And what does this say? What does it say? What does it say? It says, the biblical representation for the squirrel. It says, you do not worry about anything. Okay? So, no worries. And enjoy something you already have. And that's being grateful. And it's best to move out of a space of gratitude. You know, be grateful for all things. You know? All the time. Whatever comes your way. You know, because either it's a lesson or a blessing, right? And then what else did we have? The Calico cat. And that's it's the white cat with the tan and black. It's 3 different colors. It says, okay, collector. It says, able to move with silence. Okay, collector, so you able to move with silence. I know that's right. We have to, because when you're too loud with what you're doing or your plans, it allows others to step in with interference, you know? So, and it says, okay, it says able to move with silence and stealth. All right, that's what's up. I'll take that. What else do we have? Lucky. I said we're lucky. You're lucky, collective. Know this. Walk in this. Claim this. And the Calico cat represents your third eye chakra. Okay, so your third eye chakra is active. Active. Use it to your advantage. Okay? It allows you to see the unseen. Okay? Cats represent independent. I'm independent. I know that's right. Grace. So you're graceful, collective. Tap into it. That's your spirit. Ancestors coming through. Through the animals. Intelligent. Oh yeah. Definitely intelligent. That we all are, right? Yeah. Also cunning. So sometimes you might have to be a little cunning, huh? Or somebody is around you. Also, what does it say for the Calico? It says, back in the day, sailors traveled with Calicos to ensure a safe voyage. So, your ship, have a safe trip, okay? Calico came through to let you know. You're going to have a safe trip. Wherever you journey into. And protect their ships from harm. So you protect it. Enjoy your trip, okay? What else do we have here? Okay, and then we have the birds, right? It was starling and the sparrow. Right, why should I feel discouraged? Right. No discouragement here, not when Jesus is my portion, right? His eye is on the sparrow, right? So, the sparrow represents, okay, it says the sparrow encourages gratitude. It's gratefulness. Gratitude is the attitude, right? Stay grateful for all things. Encourages gratitude for all the little blessings, creating a shift in your perspective. So, when you are grateful and you for all the little things, the blessings, the great things, the little things, it allows you to have a shift in your mindset, you know, in your perspective, how you see things. Also, the sparrow, the sparrows are icons of new beginnings. All right, we got new beginnings going on, collective. That's what's up. Hope and freedom. Okay? Be hopeful. Always. And be free. Freedom is upon you. Okay, it says you call upon the sparrow when you only see the cynical side of life. Okay, so if you're cynical or you feel yourself being in that space, right? Call on your sparrow. Okay, and then what else did we get? Okay, the starling. Hey, stars. Woo! We all stars, right? The starlings. The starlings are symbolic of intuition and change. Okay, so your intuition is popping. Follow your intuition. Trust your intuition. Definitely change, and change is change upon you. You want to follow your intuition to make sure that you're moving in the right direction, right? Right, collector? Yeah, you got it. Okay. It says, a change in behavior in one affects and is affected by the behavior of the whole group. So a change in the behavior, collective, come on now. Change for the positive we're going for. That's what we're striving for always. Because it is affected by the behavior of the whole group. Right, be influential in a positive manner, in a positive aspect of the whole. Right? And then it says, oh, the starling that you are, you crave the company of others. Okay, so some of you may be in that position where you craving company. You know, because we could be in that position of where we're being introspective and God puts us alone. He removes us from spaces and places where we can't grow, where we can't be attentive in his classroom, right? And life is the classroom. The omnipotent is the teacher, the master teacher, right? He'll displace you sometime or displace others away from you in order for you to get the lesson, right? What else do we have? And the starlings. There's safety in numbers. Okay, so yeah, we as the collective, there's safety in us being a collective on the same page. Okay? Or with maybe you out there by yourself at night. Right. That may be why you craving the company of others, you know, because you don't want to walk down that dark street alone. I know that's right. Sometimes it's like that, right? And no, it's safety in numbers. Knowing this. The starlings telling you, star. Okay, and what else? The white feather. I forgot about the feather. The white feather represents rebirth and new beginnings. And also, it could be loved ones in spirit is thinking about you. Oh, that's so nice. And trying to get your attention, though. Okay, so don't be all scared when you know, oh, weird stuff is happening. It's just your loved one trying to get your attention. Okay, collective, so that's it for the nature card today. Okay, that was just a little bit from your ancestors, your spirit animal guides speaking. Okay, spirit speaking through them, as well as I put this little note at the top. Oh, what was I going to say? 333 may be significant for someone because it was 333 when I was having all of the issues when I attempted to go live. Okay, so 333, and that's a Cindy Master number. Yeah, okay. We got some of them up on here. A part of the collective. Master teacher. You have grown, come a long way on your spiritual journey, right? And I'm going to close on this last note, and that is plants are divine gifts. Okay, collective? Well, you all know I love you all for being a part of this journey. I appreciate all of your likes, shares, support, donation. Yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful for it all. It's an amazing journey. Whew. It keeps me filled with joy. I'm on high vibe. You know, it's just, ooh, I can't even explain how it feels. It feels so good. Yeah, to know that I have my ancestors and that they are around, about, and protecting me and lifting me up and encouraging me and teaching me, you know? I want to get the lessons. I want to get it right so I can learn the lessons, right? Well, that's it for the nature card today. Again, like, share if you connect with any of this. You know, like, share, support, follow, donate, or simply reach out. And you can reach out to by email, right? By email to spiritwithinyou333@gmail.com. Again, that's spiritwithinyou, the letter U, 333@gmail.com. All right, collective. I love you all. You have a beautiful day. Till next time.